Hi guys! In this video, you're gonna learn how to see other people's best friend list on Snapchat. Unfortunately, Snapchat doesn't have the feature that may see other people's best friends list because of the privacy issue. But you can determine what's your best friends list on Snapchat, and in this video, you're gonna learn how to see it. To do that, go to your Play Store and in here, search for Snapchat. In here, update your Snapchat application. Now open your Snapchat application and then add your friends on Snapchat. Now go to your profile at the upper right corner and in here, tap the Add Friends button. As you can see, there are quick adds here or suggested friends that are possible to be the best friend of your friends. So in here, you can determine who are the best friends of your friend on Snapchat. So that's how to see other people's best friends list on Snapchat. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial. Thanks for watching!